You're watching CNN IPN.
Welcome back. Bombay, the city of dreams. I'm sure you've heard this cliche quote, but it holds true for most. You must have read about this mystic city, but how about capturing this magic forever? Well, Bombay Jadoo has managed to do just that. If the fast pace of this city inspires you and you thrive on the urban chaos, then here's something that will let you cherish and celebrate moments of Mumbai's madness. Bombay Jadoo revels in the magic of Mumbai. It captures the real spirit of the Maxim city. Whether it is that girl in the ladies' compartment, the woman staring at your face, the man hanging in the air, Devanand looking young as ever, or those dancing palm trees. It is almost like reality and fantasy slip and slide into each other. This book is a compilation of 54 candid street pictures by American photographer Betsy Carroll that describes Bombay through her eyes. For her, it's a sense of community, bliss in the middle of this chaos. Even though the mood is happy, the pictures are anything but cliché. Worded by Suketu Mehta, the write-up explicitly conveys a life that at least Bombay-walas would identify with at once. If you too want to experience the streets of Mumbai sitting in your living rooms, I bet this is the closest you can get.
ये है बम्बे मेरी जान हा हा हो ही हा 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 हो ही हा हा
They say this city can soak you up. Well, you're bound to fall in love with it despite all odds. Isn't it, Vinita?
This is CNBC TV 18 and you're watching India Business Hour.
And it's time to get a life.
When Tom Petty sang about free falling, he meant it in the good way. But today, as the markets fall freely and the Sensex takes a dip, you might want to think about the words of Samuel Butler when he so wisely said that all animals except man know that the principal business of life is to enjoy it. And that's what we're here to do. It's finally Friday, so kick back, relax as we tell you how to get it. So you slipped into $1 while hanging out at the Bombay gym. You grew up strong, eating Bombay duck, and even when you feel blue, you only feel the Bombay blues. Well, you're clearly a Bombay boy, and here's a book just for you.
Here's another victim of Mumbai's madness. Betsy Carroll, award-winning photojournalist from Washington, D.C., celebrates the indomitable spirit of Mumbai with her new book of photographs, Bombay Jadoo. Inspired by the writings of contemporary Indian writers like Vikram Chandra, Rohinton Mistry and Salman Rushdie, she seeks visual equivalents of their humanity, humor, mystery and psychological energy. The result? A series of lyrical images shot over 9 years, capturing public yet private moments in the life of Mumbaikars. From rickshawalas to girls on local trains, from Juhu Beach to Taj Mahal Hotel, she discovers the swirling urban fairy tale that is Mumbai. And if that isn't enough to get you excited, the book includes words by Maximum City writer Suketu Mehta. The book is now available at all leading bookstores for a mere 1,500 rupees.
With that, it's a wrap on today's Get Alive. But remember what Harry Truman said, if you can't convince them, simply confuse them. On that complicated note, bye-bye.
Well, that's all we have on India Business Hour tonight.
Thanks for watching. Coming up next is The Nation's Business with Vivian Fernandez. Vivian.